ulungiselela i-Comrades Marathon izaba yesingaphi?
Le Comrades yam izaba yesine kulo nyaka. Ndino downhill ababini, then le uphill izaba yesibini.
Yintoni yakutsalela kule race uba ubaleke i-distance ende kangaka?
Kwakudala ndiyicinga ndimane ndiyibukela TV Comrades. Especially i-theme yayo inomtsalane. Apha ithetha nge-human efforts, yabo, nge-human triumph, ukuthi umuntu ezimisele angenza nantoni na xa eyifuna loo nto ingakwazi ukwenzeka.
What does finishing Comrades mean to you?
Well, ukufinisha i-Comrades is a victory of a humankind. That you can actually do yonke into uzimisele, especially xa uzipreparishele physically, mentally and spiritually. Yes.
So summarize the training program yakho ngoku siku-May, we're moving towards the 30 days to a Comrades Marathon. What are you focusing on the training yakho?
Yeah, initially xa bekuqala unyaka, it was usukela ku-January and February, it was trying to establish a rhythm in my running, preparing for a workload higher to March and April. So it was a foundation of January and February to establish what I want to do when I do my training prior to March and April. So March and April was about uploading the muscles, the kailane, so there were a lot of runs. So Abagu May is about just maintaining and then lehlise so that ade fika uJune, then i-muscles ziyaziphumula ngokuphumula libe ready for i-Comrades Marathon.
Kule loading oyenzayo i-run i-mileage kuphela okanye ne-strength sikhona as part of the training?
You have to mix it because i-muscles eziziloadayo, they need to be strong. So you have to mix it up with physical training, strengthening, and so that umzimba ube strong all round. Ukwazi umelana ne-workload lebe siyenza especially apha ku-March and April.
Lesson oyifundileyo kwi-Comrades zakho ezintathu eziba you need to load more mileage and deal with his strength.
Yes, that's what I've learned. Now, I started my running about 5 years ago, so I picked up a lot of experience with the running. That it's not just about ubane pace high. It's also about loading the muscles, and the muscles ukuze zilodeke indlela ebalansayo, you have to mix up with a physical conditioning. So through strength training and mixing it up with other forms of training, ujime, so that the training you have to be balanced.
Ngezi zintathu sozigqibile ubufumene eliphi ixesha ne-medal?
For the past 3 Comrades, oko bendimane ndifumana i-bronze ngu-sub 11, and I'm hoping this year that I'm going to get a Robert Mchana, because my training has been geared towards ufumana Robert Mchana.
Kodwa ubilahlile awuzuyeka iBill Rowan.
Yeah, training yam has been between Bill Rowan and Robert Mchana.
Okay.
So if you have Bill Rowan, I'll go for it.
Le long run yanamhlanje niyichuze ngantoni zeziphi characteristics eninika zona that you will need for 14 June?
We are preparing for a up run. So this training namhlanje has got a lot of hills. Of course, inazo net downs, which we'll be expecting a Comrades Marathon because it's 60% up and 40% down. So nale route namhlanje, I would say ibufana naleya ye Comrades. It was 60% up and 40% down.
Okay.
Yes.
Nkosi Champ.
Thank you.